I saw some pictures claiming to be the first real pictures of the new Galaxy S24 Ultra. It makes me excited because the phone is expected to be revealed in January 2024, and these pictures make me hopeful that it could be the best phone with an S Pen in a long time, maybe even the best ever. I used to have the Galaxy Note 10, which came with the S Pen. While I enjoyed the overall experience, I didn't really like the curved edge display it had. While the Galaxy Note 10 looks stylish with its edge display, the curved design made it slippery and negatively impacted the S Pen experience. Pairing a precise tool like the S Pen with a curved screen seemed impractical, prioritizing style over function. It seems a Galaxy S flagship might be the solution to address this long-standing issue in the Galaxy Note series. The Galaxy Note series ended with the Galaxy Note 20, but its essence lives on in the Galaxy S Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra was the closest Samsung came to having a flat screen since the original Galaxy Note 20. However, it seems like the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra will be the first to completely do away with the edge display and experience, and I'm definitely excited about it. I've grown to prefer flat screens ever since I got my Galaxy S22 Plus. Even though this phone doesn't support the S Pen, I quickly realized how much better the S Pen experience could be if Samsung paired it with a flat display. We'll have to wait and see if the Galaxy S24 Ultra brings any additional S Pen enhancements, such as improved accuracy or lower latency. Nonetheless, the significant advantage for S Pen enthusiasts is the ability to use their favorite tool across the entire display without concerns about it slipping over a curved edge, a significant benefit in itself. Personally, I've adjusted to not having an S Pen on my S22 Plus, and I'm considering upgrading to the S24 Plus next year. However, if I were to bring the S Pen back into my smartphone routine, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems like a great choice based on what I've seen so far. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.